filters. With Palette AI, we're saving countless hours of restoration time. It significantly improves our workflow.
This AI colorization tool is a game changer for creators. It automatically adds realistic colors to old photographs in seconds, drastically reducing editing time.
Welcome to the tutorial. With Palette AI, you can bring your old black and white photos to life in just a few clicks.
Palette AI helps museums preserve history faster, reducing restoration costs and improving digital archive productivity.
Look at this comparison. Can you guess which is which? 3, 2, 1. This stunning detail was done instantly with Palette AI. It's amazing.
The AI colorization really streamlines the research process, allowing us to focus more on the historical context. It certainly makes the content more engaging for the students.
The fastest and most effective way to bring historical photographs back to life. Palette AI.
I remember this day like it was yesterday. Your grandmother wore that blue dress.
Oh, it's beautiful. I can't believe the colors.
Utilizing advanced AI, we can now colorize entire historical archives efficiently.
As you can see here in Palette AI, applying this preset instantly transforms the monochrome scan. The detail is preserved and the challenge is the fragility and the sheer volume.
Yeah.
It takes countless hours by hand. We can revitalize.
Palette AI has revolutionized our workflow. We've reduced the restoration time from days to mere seconds.
The restoration is so easy. It's simple, fast, and accessible for anyone to use.
By integrating AI colorization, we're not just restoring images, we're enhancing productivity and revealing forgotten family stories much faster.
This AI-powered colorization helps us create a more immersive learning experience, allowing us to truly visualize the past.
As you can see, the time-lapse shows the difficulty of manual work, yet the AI instantly provides flawless historical accuracy and rich textures. History was once confined to black and white, but now, with Palette AI, these moments are restored, vibrant, and accessible to everyone.
These delicate photographs hold vital memories. Now, with the help of AI,
The speed is incredible and the accuracy is spot on. This isn't just slapping color on, it's intelligently restoring the past.
With Palette AI, anyone can achieve professional photo restoration results in just seconds, dramatically improving your editing efficiency.
5 seconds to guess the colors, and look at that. The AI brings history to life, realistically colorizing these photos in seconds.
The efficiency is unmatched. We've digitized our entire backlog, which means we can finally focus on new acquisitions.
By leveraging AI, we can restore these historical moments with stunning accuracy, allowing us to understand the
Braces. We focus on managing large collections and improving workflow speed while maintaining historical accuracy.
look how bright the flowers were. It feels like yesterday. This is exactly how I remember them. By leveraging advanced neural networks, Palette AI analyzes and colorizes entire collections in real time, dramatically improving restoration speed and efficiency.
Experience the magic of Palette AI, bringing history to life with unparalleled speed and professional quality.
Look at this. The detail is incredible, and it just takes seconds. It completely changes how we tell the story.
As this time-lapse shows, manual coloring is laborious, but Palette AI provides instant, historic, and this is the real power of Palette AI. It brings these moments to life, creating a far more immersive and understandable experience for us all.
Check this out. With Palette AI, you can colorize historical photos instantly. Look at the detail on this. Go transform yours now.
By utilizing Palette AI, we have dramatically reduced processing time.
And the detail here, it is stunning. We can finally see their story.
It's incredible to see them in color after all these years. It brings the past right back to life.
The biggest challenge is bringing these images to life. They're fragile.
This technology is absolutely revolutionary.
With Palette AI, we can finally bring these moments back to life, restoring details we thought were lost forever.
Look at that. The colors are incredible. It's like stepping back in time.
As content creators, we need efficiency. Palette AI dramatically reduces editing time, letting you transform historical images like this.
Look at the detail on the uniforms. It's incredible.
This doesn't even look fake. It looks like it was filmed yesterday. The colors are so rich. It brings the past to life.
The AI improves research efficiency, saves preparation time, and creates far more engaging educational experiences for the students.
Freitas. The AI identifies stunningly realistic. This level of automation drastically reduces editing time.
Look at the detail the AI brought out.
It feels like they were just here yesterday. The colors are stunning.
By integrating Palette AI, we significantly improve restoration speed and reduce the manual workload, allowing us to. This technology allows us to preserve our cultural heritage, making historical research both faster and infinitely more vibrant.
This has completely streamlined our workflow. We're looking at a significant boost on productivity.
The turnaround time is unmatched and the results are absolutely beautiful.
Look at this before and after. The detail is insane. You have to try the Palette AI challenge and bring your family history to life. The AI colorization process is revolutionary. It allows us to preserve these crucial moments, making them.
Oh, honey, look at this. They're in color. I can't believe it. Thank you so much. The results speak for themselves. Palette AI blows the competition out of the water in both speed and color accuracy.
As you can see, the AI not only saves time, but makes learning history significantly more immersive. Utilizing Palette AI has dramatically cut down our post-production time. It allows us to transform these archival images, bringing history to life in a compelling way.
Bring your most treasured memories back to life with Palette AI. Simple, powerful, and beautifully efficient.
The integration of Palette AI has transformed our preservation efforts, allowing us to restore millions of historical photographs.
It changes everything.
Look at that, it's beautiful.
Now we can truly experience it. This technology not only saves us significant restoration time, but also helps preserve these valuable historical memories for future generations.
I never thought I'd see their faces like this again. It's beautiful. While traditional methods take hours, the AI delivers professional quality instantly. This dramatically speeds up the workflow for historians and creators.
To start, simply scan your vintage photograph. Then, using Palette AI, you can transform it into a vibrant,
The future of historical photo preservation is here. Fast, accurate, and efficient, bringing history back to life.
Look at this. Palette AI makes historical restoration incredibly simple, fast, and accessible for content creators everywhere.
With Palette AI, we can now process thousands of images, drastically reducing our workload and improving overall archive management.
By using AI to colorize these images, we gain a whole new perspective. It feels so real now. The AI analyzes and generates realistic colors, dramatically improving workflow efficiency. This allows proficiency.
I never thought I'd see my mother's dress in color again. It's beautiful. That's our old street. The colors, the details, it brings it all back like it was yesterday.
The speed is incredible and the detail is absolutely stunning.
This changes everything for historical preservation. The accuracy is flawless.
Look at that! It's incredible.
Restore your family history with Palette AI.
Revolutionary AI not only preserves history but makes it vivid, drastically reducing the time once needed for traditional restoration.
As you can see, the batch processing feature in Palette AI allows us to restore thousands of images with incredible speed and accuracy, preserving history more efficiently.
This was taken right before the war. I remember that dress.
Wow, look at the colors. Is that really, Grandpa? It's beautiful, Father. I've never seen it like this.
Palette AI really speeds up the workflow, allowing us to complete projects much faster while maintaining professional quality results.
AI doesn't just colorize, it transforms these old photos, making history truly vibrant and engaging for a modern audience and cutting down our production time immensely.
This technology helps us preserve worldwide heritage, improve accessibility, and connect people with their shared history.
Bringing forgotten moments back to life. Try Palette AI today and transform the way humanity preserves the past.